As a firefighter with more than 20 years of experience in a major city fire department, I have personally witnessed the tragic devastation that fires have caused on families and businesses. Homes lost, offices and inventory destroyed. Sadly, 7 people die in residential fires every day in the U.S. Electrical problems are a leading cause of those fires. One spark, one overheated wire is all it takes. It doesn't have to be that way. Electrical fires are preventable. They are, however, very difficult to predict. That's why I'm thrilled that finally someone has taken it upon themselves to develop the first ever comprehensive program to examine and analyze entire electrical systems. Flash Electric's Safe and Sound Power Examination is what fire professionals and property owners have long been looking for.
For the past 50 years, our family has been Metro Atlanta's first call to repair electrical problems.
Those calls come in when you notice warning signs like flickering lights, breakers tripping, fuses blowing, or even noises from your electric panel. Unfortunately, we don't get calls for those smoldering dangers behind the wall that you can't see. Even those $300 industry standard visual inspections won't catch a dangerous voltage drop or an electrical arc that could burn down your home or business the next day. No electrical contractor in America could give you complete assurance with rock-solid proof that your home or business was either safe or in danger, until now.
It took a worldwide search for specialized high-tech test equipment and some custom modifications to the use of that equipment to create the Safe and Sound Power System. The essence of our program is layer upon layer of redundant examination and analysis to be certain beyond any doubt of our findings and our recommendations. The result is a brutally honest report on every single component of your electrical system. We believe that when lives are at stake, nothing less is good enough.
To be very clear, the Safe and Sound Power Examination is not just another 25 or 30-point inspection. Any electrical contractor can send out one man for an hour or two to walk around your house or building, check outlets, and maybe pull out some testers that you could have bought yourself for $100. The Safe and Sound Power Examination is an affordably priced 8 to 10 hour thorough exam conducted by 2 specially trained electricians. Our electrical detectives hunt out potential problems using over $20,000 worth of customized equipment, some of which most electricians have never even seen before.
Think of the difference this way. Suppose you went to the doctor with some serious chest pains. The doctor gave you a visual examination, maybe he checked your blood pressure, and said, you know, you look okay to me, how about pay the front desk on the way out? Probably not going to feel real good about that doctor or that doctor visit. On the other hand, suppose the doctor said, we need to give you an MRI, we need to give you an EKG, we need to in fact give you an entire battery of tests to find out what's going on with these chest pains. You probably would feel a lot better about that. The fact of the matter is that's what the Safe and Sound Power System is for your home's electrical system. It is a battery of tests, an MRI, an EKG, all wrapped into one to find out what's going on with your electrical system. If you have problems with your electrical system, we will find them. We will report those problems to you, and we'll give you recommendations on what you need to do about them.
The 5 segments that make up the Safe and Sound Power Examination have levels of redundancy, ensuring no problem gets past the checks and rechecks. We begin with a code compliance inspection. This is what all other contractors provide. For them, it's the entire process. For us, it's only the beginning. One reason this check is so important is codes change. Structures just a few years old may no longer meet codes. The instrumentation segment utilizes our high-tech test equipment to detect any hazardous situations. Every switch, outlet, panel, appliance circuit, branch circuit, etc. In other words, every component of your system will be tested with these instruments. In fact, one of these special instruments is recording your electrical system's operation for an entire day. Most people don't realize the danger lurking behind their walls. We know that what you can't see and can't hear can kill you. So we went outside the industry to find and adapt equipment that will allow us to see through walls and hear what humans can't hear. Infrared thermography lets us take heat pictures of the temperature variations between normal and overheating electrical components and wiring. Overheating is a red flag of impending failure and danger. pulse testing uses sensitive ultrasound devices to pick up the distinctive sound signature of an arc, which is an actual open flame. These are serious fire risks that must be dealt with immediately. After careful analysis of the field data, we'll compile a thorough room-by-room report that tells the entire story of your electrical system. Any safety hazards you have are defined and explained in detail using pictures and documentation to support the conclusions. You will be armed with the proof a problem exists, why it's a concern, and what is required to correct it. The safe and sound process takes many hours. While our technicians are in your home or office, you'll find them courteous, respectful, and as inconspicuous as possible. They have undergone unparalleled certification and background checks. They're fully bonded and always leave your premises just as they found it. What price would you pay to protect your family or business from catastrophic electrical fires? Flash Electric has developed an economical way to have that peace of mind. Our examination could actually save you money by pinpointing only those specific areas of concern. You would know for certain if replacements or rewiring were, in fact, necessary.
The best insurance you can have on your home or business is not reimbursement after a fire, it's never having a fire in the first place. Electrical fires are preventable. Keep your family and your employees safe and sound. Have the nation's most comprehensive examination of your electrical system completed today.